Now let us come to the next topic, that is applications of information technology in the field of business. What are the different areas in the field of business where IT plays a vital role? The first thing, whenever we consider any large business organization, the first thing which it should take care of is the payroll management, payroll calculation. Suppose in a large organization, in a business oriented organization, in a large organization, many workforce will be there, many human resource will be there, and each and every human resources will have to pay a certain remuneration once a month ends. Correct? Once a month ends, as per their designation, as per their work, they will be paid with a certain remuneration, and that is being handled by a particular area that is known as payroll systems. Okay, payroll management. Then suppose at the end of financial year, he or she, the organization has to maintain a budget of the same. In such situation also, information technology plays a vital role in maintaining the budget, managing the budget. Then sales analysis at the end of a current financial year, current fiscal year, what is the sales of a particular product that has been launched into the market or that has been newly manufactured in that particular organization. That also deals with information technology. Then apart from this, financial forecasting, what are the forecasts? Suppose based on our current performance, what could be the forecast for the next? Okay, what could be the forecast? What could be the benefits in our next year, in our current next next fiscal year, next financial year? All those things, financial forecasting can also be done, managing and maintaining stock. Apart from this, if a company, if an organization, a large organization must also be having stocks on his or her name. Correct? The organization will release stocks every year, every financial year, and those stocks management and maintenance is also handled by information technology. Now, the second is a business transaction that happens through internet is also called e-commerce. Apart from this, whenever we perform any business activity or business transaction by means of internet, computers and internet, that is also known as e-commerce. Okay, whenever we perform any business transaction by means of internet and computers, that is known as electronic commerce. For example, if we would like to purchase a insurance policy over the internet, then that will be considered as e-commerce, because the policy Bazaar is the client from whom I am purchasing the policy, and he or she is the organization, that is the Policy Bazaar itself is an e-commerce platform which supply users with different categories of policies. Okay. Then the third one is IT facilitates marketing, customer visit, product browsing, shopping basket checkout, tax and shopping, receipt and process order. Now, as this statement, this point can be best explained by means of a shopping platform. Say we have utilized Amazon as our shopping platform. As you might have went through different categories of the things which are available over the Amazon platform. Correct? Based on our requirement, we will browse, we will go through the Amazon's website, Amazon's official website, and browse through the products, and based on our requirement, once after browsing we will select the product, and if we would like to purchase it later, say I don't have penny in my pocket at this very moment of time, I don't have a penny in my pocket, in such situation what I will do, I will simply add that into my shopping basket. Correct? Into my shopping basket or shopping cart, and later on at a particular point of time, whenever my financial capacity will be there, I can go ahead with the purchase. Correct? And if we would like to purchase it at this very instant, in such situation, we can directly browse through the product, select the product, go for checkout, and then finally once we pay the amount whichever is being required in order to purchase that particular product, once we pay the amount, it will automatically produce receipt and the processing order. Even if we don't pay, in that situation also one option COD is there. In that process also, once the item is being delivered at our desk, at our home, after delivery they will supply us with the receipt and process order. So these are the different areas in the field of business where IT plays a vital role. Apart from this, 4 more points I have discussed in here. That is, smart cards such as credit cards and debit cards are used in shop. Now, apart from this thing, these 3 things, apart from this, we can also go to a particular grocery shop or a cosmetic shop or different other shops where where by means of swap machine, based on our the amount that has been spent in the purchase of certain item, we can directly pay the money without having us to pay the same amount in cash, correct, by means of PIN and ATM, PIN and debit card. Since this debit card has a personal item, has a metallic strip which is a magnetic one, and once that magnetic strip is recognized, we need to insert the PIN, and once PIN is inserted, the account will be automatically debited with the amount that has been spent in purchasing that particular product. Okay. Apart from smart cards, nowadays QR codes are also available. For example, Airtel Money QR code, then Paytm QR code are available, then Google Pay UPI QR code is also available. So lot many QR codes are also available which can be scanned, and at that very instant only, without the need of paying the amount physically, we can transfer it online as our shopping bills to the businesses. Okay. Airlines uses large scale computer application for the reservation system. Now, apart from this, we might have observed that we might be knowing the name of a website, that is makemytrip.com. Now, using that particular website, we can book tickets. We can book tickets for flight journey. Okay. And apart from that particular website, each and every airline system has got its own personal website by means of which we can book their company's ticket. Okay. Other business such as insurance claim system and online banking also applies the concept of IT. So apart from all those things, as we have already learned, insurance, once we need to apply for a claim, insurance claim, in such situation also we can go ahead with information technology. Then internet banking, online banking, all those applications uses the concept of information technology. So these are the different areas in the field of business where IT plays a vital role in optimizing the performance, in optimizing the time duration of the user, and so many prospects.